Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Belgaum. Today, I am once again present before you in an offline class for Social Science Class 8th. In previous lessons, we discussed things about the geography part of social science. Finishing that, today we are entering a new topic. It is from the civics part of social science. The topic is public facilities. Dear students, today we will be discussing things we'll be discussing the information about public facilities. I hope that you will pay a keen interest towards this topic and this lecture. I will try to be in brief. I will try to easily convey the necessary stuff to you so that you may be able for the forthcoming tests, examination, and you will be cautious enough for enriching your knowledge about this topic. First of all, I will tell you that those facilities which are useful for public are known as public facilities. First of all, you have to know that those facilities which are useful for public are known as are called public facilities. There are so many facilities in this world, on the surface of this earth, that are useful for public directly or indirectly. And this topic invites us to discuss some of these, as it is in our syllabus. We have to go as per our syllabus, which is prescribed by the given authorities, by the concerned authorities for social science class 8th. Here we will discuss some of the public facilities. I will give you the information, the basic information about these facilities. Here I see that water is the basic example of public facility. Water means that water is a basic example for public facility. Let us discuss things about this public facility by different angles today. We see that water is useful for us, for all creatures, and this is received by different ways that we will discuss. in next lessons. Today, I will try to deal a particular part of it, and here we see that an essential thing about the public facilities is that government is responsible for providing public facilities to the public. As per water is concerned, we get it by different sources, but at government level, we see it is only the government that can provide water to the public at suitable rates, affordable rates, and easy ways. We will try to see why is it not possible at private level that water can be provided to the public. What are the difficulties? We see that there are very few cases of private water supply in the world. Following reasons are responsible for the same. We see. Mainly at government level, water is supplied to the public at suitable rates, normal rates, and easily. Why it is not possible at private sector? We see water is essential for life and for good health. One of the most important functions of the government is to ensure public facilities. Supply of water is also the responsibility of the government. Here we see. The government also gets some money for providing water, but government charges are very less in comparison to private water supply. This is a basic comparison that I am telling you. In the world where water supply was handed over to private companies, there was, when we saw, there was steep rise in the price of water, which was not affordable for many. It was not affordable for many. We see in Bolivia, there were riots and protests, and government was forced to take back the supply of water from private hands. And here we see at private level, when it was tried to supply water to the public, it was seen that this was not so much successful. It was not affordable for many. So we see that it is only the government of the concerned region, country, or state that is responsible, and it has been worldly, universally accepted that water must be supplied to the public on cheap rates, on suitable rates by the government. So we see this is why private hands are not successful in providing water to the public at greater level. This was a basic comparison between why private sector is not successful, rather suitable for providing water to the common masses. And so it has been universally accepted that the facility of water, the public facility of public, that's water, is supplied to the public by the government at suitable rates and cheap rates and easily. Dear students, in next lessons we will try to know things about other public facilities and also water, which is an essential public facility, essential need of the public, that we started our lesson today with this. I will be telling more things, more information to you so that we can be very much aware about the mechanism and composition of this public facility, rather essential public facility. I hope that you may have paid keen interest. You will try to remember these things. This is sufficient for today in this class. I'll be meeting you again. Till then, goodbye. Have a bright future and a nice day ahead. Take care of your health and all their thanks.